Hi, Busker 909 here. Today we're going to do Paint It Black by the Rolling Stones. Very cool song. We're tuned to E, low E, and then B in the middle, and then high E on the high string. The basic run, I'll put a tab up in the corner, but it's 12, 14, 15, 17, 15, 14, 12. That's the first half. The second half is 12, 11, 12, 14, 12, 11. And what you do is in between each note you play the low E string in the first half, and the second half you play the low B string. So I'll illustrate it really slow. B string now. So it seems like a lot, but once you get going on it, it's not too bad. There's a little variation on the intro, but I'll show you that at the end, because that's a little harder for some people. So that's your main rhythm, lead lick, if you will. Their background rhythm to start the song is basically just the low E and then the next two strings. Just like that. Once in a while you hear somebody strum an E minor chord. E minor can be done 0, 0, and then 3 with your slide. And mute behind your slide, even though you're only playing one string in this song, make sure that you mute behind your slide. Even up here you want to mute behind your slide because it's just makes it for a much cleaner sound, so you can hear the melody notes better. Now the power chords are E, D, G on the 3rd fret, D on the 10th fret, E on the 12th fret. And then you do that again with the variation E, D, G, 3rd fret, D, and then A on the 5th, and then B. So basically you can hear I'm hitting everything kind of twice, except I hang a little longer on the last chords. And you can pretty well do anything you want with the rhythm, depending on whether you're playing with other people or not. You can like go if you want, or just whatever works for you. Okay, so those are the main parts of the song that you need to play along with the whole song. The only variation is the intro. It stops in a different spot and it does a lick, which can be kind of hard for people, but I'll show you anyway. It's hard for me sometimes. Let's see, here's the basic riff. You stop on that 14 right there. And then the lick is... Now, probably didn't look too hard, but the thing is you want each note to come out and you don't have frets. So how you do that is sort of create the illusion that you're stopping on frets by practicing it separately really slow. That's a whole step, then a half step, whole step. We're up on 14 now. And then back down, whole step, half step, whole step, back down on 9, and then back up. Now, of course, if you play it that slow, nobody's going to recognize it. But you want to practice it that slow so that you can kind of do it quicker. And that wasn't my best, but anyway, it sort of comes out sounding like the lick when you do it like that. And that's your intro lick. There you go. That's all you need to play that song. Have a great day. Bye.